What's going on, guys? Daniel here. Man, today is the day. Today is Prinsu rack day. We are gonna put our Prinsu's racks on top of our Tacomas, Jared and myself. So you're gonna meet Jared a little bit later today. He's just a good buddy of mine, and he's the one that recommended all of this. I just want to show you guys my little setup here I got inside the truck. So all I did was I just clamped, or I have like a little stand thing that I just clamped, or it's like one of those, I don't know what the hell this thing is, Joby. Alrighty, I am driving, so I am gonna turn the camera off and I will turn it back on when we're in the shop and getting ready to install the racks. See you guys then. And I'll edit it. It's good to go. So what I'm doing here is, actually you might want to, here, let me just see it real quick, Jared. So what we're doing here is just peeling up the front, and there's a little clip that goes in the, it's just this front part that has a little clip there. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, there it is. Right there. That little clip holds the weather stripping in, and you just kind of peel it all the way. Here you go, Jared. You just peel it all the way, and once you get 3/4 of the way through, there's double-sided tape right here. So don't be afraid to just kind of muscle it up. Don't get too crazy and rip it up, but just apply a little bit of pressure. And then when you get to the end, it's gonna be clipped in. So lift the back piece up and press down. See, so that little slot, it's clipped into the back one. And that's all that is. So I'm gonna get this, let me get this cleaned up a little bit, Jared, and then we'll, okay, we got the holes exposed here. Jared's looks all professional. Look at this. This is freaking good. Alrighty, and then what I'm gonna do is actually just take a little paint marker and mark these up, get the center of the holes. Get this up right here. So what I'm gonna do is, it might be a little bit overkill, but this comes up slightly, so I'm gonna put some hot glue in there. And this hot glue, it's special to our industry, and this is a glue gun from our industry, and what we do is paintless dent repair, but it's still gonna serve its purpose. And this stuff removes with isopropyl alcohol, so it's not permanent at all, but it will hold it down and hopefully seal some water and stuff from getting into there. But so what I did was I set them in and made sure I can see every single one of the holes, and then I'm just gonna peel up one side, glue it, peel up the other side, and then glue it. So like this, make sure sure that that's down. Get this up over here. We're getting pretty close here. I'm just gonna tie down the front. It's a little bit difficult to get a power tool in there, so I'm just gonna use something like this. So it has a lot of room to, you know, on this one obviously I can use a power wrench, but see this one, how it's completely covered? You almost need something that's gonna go down in there, you know what I mean? So this is the roof rack right here, all done and looking good. Baby. No, that's Spike Dizzle. Oh man, it looks good, dude. I really love it. Took about 6 hours. It's because a lot of it was just trial and error. We didn't have instructions or anything, and we're not the brightest people in the world here. It looks really good. There's a little bit of a space there for a light bar. Look at that bad boy. Yes. What we have here is a wild Jared, and it's a natural habitat. Let's get in closer. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna put that in.
Well, wild habitat has been that of work.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna get some of this footage here. Oh, where are these ones at? Oh, okay, there we go. So he's just putting those in there and then using a pick to line it up. There we go. Okay.
Alright, let's see if we can get this thing.
Jared, I think it needs to go right.
A lot.
The whole thing, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, wonder why it was. That's why I didn't have these things lined up.
There you go.
I was just guesstimating them. There we go. Yeah, I was wondering why it seemed weird. I'm like,
Yeah.
you know, we'll
There you go, we're knocked down. Remember, these are the ones that don't want to thread. Okay. Jared is mounting his light bar. That thing is sweet. I need to get mine going too. It looks so naked now up there. Gracious. Okay, whatever way you want to do it, Jared. Maybe one of us on each side. That's how it's good. You want to check?
Let's flip it over. Stand up. Look out.
Okay. Flip it over. Okay. Ooh. Smooth, smooth. Man, Is that gonna work out, dude?
What's that?
Is that gonna work out? Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfection, dude. Simply well. Okay. Cool. Okay, cool. Let's put them in and